Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to cook garlic butter shrimp. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Also, prepare 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget fresh parsley, lemon juice, and a pinch of red pepper flakes to elevate the flavors. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's start cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your shrimp in a single layer. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as this keeps them wonderfully tender and juicy. Next, we'll create that irresistible garlic butter sauce. Reduce the heat to medium and add the remaining 6 tablespoons of butter to the skillet. Sauté the minced garlic for about 1 minute, just until it's fragrant, being careful not to let it brown. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Toss the perfectly cooked shrimp with that incredible garlic butter sauce, ensuring every piece is coated evenly. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley for a burst of freshness and color. Serve this delightful dish immediately with your favorite pasta, rice, or some warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade garlic butter shrimp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.